Diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. Here I am all alone. I'm so cold. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and I got a new wig for you guys. It's another wear and go. This wig is from Ashimary. I believe I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. Their name is in the title and it's going to be in the description box along with all the details I'm about to mention and the links to this particular wig and other wigs. So this is the Wear and Go Highlight Mix Color Body Wave Glueless 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig, 26 inches, and it's 250% density. This wig is very similar to all of the other wear and go wigs out there. There's some details that I want to mention, but before I do that, I want to quickly mention I'm already probably about to, or you guys are already seeing what came in their box. It came with some gifts, and the only thing that I really want to touch on is these HD invisible wave caps. I actually really like these wave caps. They are very much like HD. I really like it. I would like it even more if it came in darker tones. Yeah, so I don't know if they do or not, but companies, if they do, go ahead and send them to me. Okay, send them in a darker tone. As I mentioned in another video, the things that I really like that come in the boxes are razor combs, edge brushes, things like that. Things that I'm going to use. Clips like these. I like that. So companies, continue to put those things in there, okay? Okay, so let's just get into the rest of the things that I need to say about this hair. So the hair, number one, very soft, okay? The construction of this wig, as you guys have probably already seen, it really comes with an adjustable elastic band, adjustable straps, but it has no combs. And I'm not too worried about that because combs are a little bit iffy, especially if you have fine hair. It's gonna put tension on your hair and your hair's gonna fall out from it. So I'm not too mad about that. I will say it does not mess up how snug this wig is not having combs. This wig is literally so snug that I'm going to have to loosen it up. Like, it is so tight on my head right now. Like, this wig is not going anywhere. So definitely using the adjustable straps in the back of the wig definitely helps with securing it. I would highly suggest taking advantage of both. Now, since this is a wear and go wig, it is extremely easy and convenient to put on. The whole thing about these wear and go wigs is that you do not have to do anything. So with that being said, you don't have to cut the lace, you don't have to pluck, nothing. Now, if I can be a little bit picky, I would have liked this wig to be plucked a little bit more, okay? It's just my opinion. I feel like the hairline is a little bit too dense with hair. So I would have liked it to be plucked a little bit more. When it comes to the lace is fine. It literally blends. I put some contour powder on there. The lace is absolutely fine. I love that. The hair is on the silkier side, so you're not going to get tight curls. These curls are the tightest you're probably going to get, okay? Because I have my curling iron on the hottest setting, and the curls are very pretty. They're very loose. So if you're looking for a wig that you're planning on putting tight curls in and putting a lot of heat on, this wig is just not going to be for you. This texture is very much flat iron straight or having very loose curls. That's just what you're going to get with this wig. But it is very pretty, so it's just really your preference on what you want with your wig. That's really all that I have to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next video. Bye.
I'm so exhausted.
This bitch got me paying her rent, paying for trips, diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. Here I am all alone. I'm so cold. Must have spent